All right, listen. Okay, we're good. Who's the why is there actually how many of you are up? Why is there 2 of you? Jed, what are you doing? Jed, what are you doing? What are you on in your All right, did you get the book from your mom? All right, I gave her the test book, okay? All right, so I will now. Okay, this is what's going to happen. You're going to stop muting yourself. Everyone needs one picture up there. Nothing else. No Beetlejuice, no anything. I need your name and your face, and that's it. And no changing it, because if you start changing things, then you're not going to get credit for being here. Do you hear me? Because I'm not going to guess where everyone is. Get rid of the Beetlejuice, Arthur. All right, Arthur, get rid of the Beetlejuice. I don't want to see anything but your face and your name. Okay. Who else do we have? Do not start changing anything. All right, we got Alvo, Arthur. All right, all I need is Brianna. So Danny, would you let me know when Brianna comes? All right, so pre-algebra. Listen, there is no talking amongst yourselves. I don't want to have to mute all of you and then go back and unmute all of you. So just stop talking. Whoever has that TV on, turn it off. Well, what's that noise? Okay. All right. Okay. So yesterday I told you guys to do. We're going to go over. Well, we did most of 329, right? How far did you guys get with 330? I mean, how far did we get with the answers? No, I'm going over them together. Okay, so is everyone on page, right? Is everyone on page 330? Okay, so we're gonna do the problem solving. Now, let me show you. And Danny and John, I'm gonna get to you in a minute because we're gonna, after we go over the radians to degrees, we're gonna start chapter 10, okay? So go to chapter 10 and start reading, and then we'll go back over. Okay, John and Danny? Okay. So let me get this. Okay. Okay, no, I know. All right, so number 2 or number 1 for problem solving. Remember I told you they gave you the area, right? They gave you the area, which is what? 312? And you're looking for what? What are you looking for, number 1? Come on, guys. Stop drawing on the board. What are you looking for? All right, guys, again, you need to listen to me. We're on number 1, problem solving. Go ahead. What are they? 330. So they gave you the area and what else? Who's this right here with no name? You're not getting credit for being here, so I don't know who it is. I don't know who that is right there. You need your own name, Nick, or you're not getting credit for being here. Kalevi, you're not getting credit unless your face and your name are up there. Do you hear me? Yes. Okay. Go ahead. Go ahead, Elmo. Yeah. It would be, if that's A, that's B, that's C, right? You're just adding all the sides, right? That's your front. Yeah. 2, it would be 2 times the length plus 2 times the width. Okay, wait. But we're on number 1 problem solving. So they gave you the area and they gave you the length. Okay, so you're looking for the width. So we're going to divide by 12. And what was the answer to that? 26. Good. All right, number 2. A square has 6.5 inch sides. What's the area? 6.5 squared. Who has that one? So do 6.5 times 6.5. What'd you get? Yeah, 42.25. Okay, that's the answer. 40, right here. 42.25. No, that's number 2, guys. Pay attention. Nigosi. Number 1 was W equals 26. All right, Kalebi, one more time I'm going to tell you. Is that Kalebi? You need your face on there. You're not getting credit. All right, where's Ashley? Okay, now let's do the sharpening skills. Arthur, put your face up there. Come on. What? You have to go where? We're in the middle of class. All right, hurry up, go. Come right back. All right, so we're going to go over the sharpening skills. So number 1, rectangle. What's the area? Length times width. So number 1, you do 16 times 18. Okay? So Evan, what would you do for number 2? Same thing. Length times width. So 9.5 times 10. Okay, number 3. It's a square. So 3 is 18 squared. So 18 times 18. Number 4. No, you have to know how to do this. That's why I'm not multiplying them out. You have to know 9.5 times 10. 18 squared equals 18 times 18. This was homework. You should have it. Okay, that's fine, Alvin. What'd you get for 1, Alvin? Yes. Okay, good. So what do you do here? You don't have to do any multiplying. You just move the decimal once to the right. So number 2 is 95. What's 18 times 18, Evan? Okay, good. Number 4, it's a circle. Okay, now you're looking for the circumference, and the radius equals 5.6. So it's 2 pi r, remember? So what do? 2, what does pi equal? 3.14. And what's my radius? 5.6. So go ahead. Someone multiply that out. Caleb, multiply that for number 4. What did you get? What did you get for 4? Sharpening skills. Okay, so are you watching what I'm doing right now? Did you see what I just did right here? It's 2 times 3.14 times 5.6. That's what I just, here's your radius. Multiply them out. Get a calculator. Come on, do it. Guys, you're not going to get credit for this if you don't start doing it. Okay, Caleb, get that picture off of there. Now. And I'm not telling you again. Get ahead, Evan. What you get? I'm sorry, for 4. How'd you get 17? All right, so do 3.14 times 2. That's 6.28. And then 6.28 times 5.6. You can use a calculator. So I'll give it to you. 6.28. 6.28 times 5.6 equals 35.168. Good. All right, so that's the answer to number 4. All right, number 5 is a triangle. So Apple, what did you get for 5? Wait, how did you get that? No, not times. You're adding. I said A plus B. Remember? A plus B plus C. So add them, Apple. Caleb, Caleb, hold up your homework. I want to see your homework, and I want to see Arthur's homework. Hold it up. You did, Arthur? Did you upload yours? Yes. Yes. Good. 17.2 for number 5. Okay, 6. It's a square. What do you do? What is the perimeter for a square? Ashley, what do we do? Why are you not listening to me? It's not, okay, but it's not like anything. Perimeter of a square. If you have a square, and if one side of that square is 14, what do you know about all the other sides? They're all 14, right? Because it's a square. So add them all together. What do you get? What? You could do 4 times 14 or add them all together. $56. All right, 7. Multiply to, go ahead. What did you get, Nick? For 7? 10.5 times 12? Oh, okay. Sorry, wait. No, that's the area. That would be correct if it was area. They want the perimeter. So it's 2 times 10.5 plus 2 times 12. Okay? So what's 2 times 12? 24. And then what's 2 times 10.5? 21. 2 times the length plus 2 times the width. It's right here. I have it up here. Can you guys see this? Number 7. All right. The answer is 45. Listen, Nick, Caleb, Arthur, I don't know who's saying that. 2 times the width plus 2 times the length. They're only giving you 2 numbers there. So just multiply them both by 2 and then add them. So we got 45. Okay, so what about 8? They want the circumference of a circle. What did I say circumference of a circle is? Gustavo, what's the circumference of a circle? Well, yeah, for number 8, the number 8, what's the circumference of a circle? What's the area? What's the formula? Times, no, look at number 8. You're given, yes, you're given, if you're given the diameter, it's pi times d. So it's 3.14 times the diameter. What's the diameter? 5, right? 15.7, good. Okay, that's the answer for number 8, yes. It's supposed to be uploaded after you do it for homework, okay? All right, so number 9, Howard, don't do it now. We're doing this now. I'm going over it. Don't worry about it now. So number 9, perimeter. 2 times 12 plus 2 times 15. What do you get? 2 times 12 plus 2 times 15. Ngozi, come on, what'd you get for 9? What'd you get, Ngozi? 54, good. 2 times 10 is 20 plus, wait, what? Oh, 2 times 12, I'm sorry. 2 times 12 is 24 plus 30 is 54. Good. All right, guys, I'm going to give you something to do, and then I'm going to come back and we're going to go over it. So, you're going to do the review from 3:30 to, okay? So, everyone, no, it's not homework. It's now work. We still have a half of an hour, so listen. So, listen, guys. I'm going to write it on here, but then I'm going to erase it because I need this word. So, it's page 330 to 330, where are we? 3. Okay. Numbers 1 through 56. Now, stop. And you're going to skip. You're skipping. Be quiet, please. You're skipping 7 through 15. Can I write this down? 15. Yes. And everything else is either true or false or formulas. Okay, guys, I need your faces up here. I don't need you disappearing because you if you, all right, now that's fine, Evan. I'm talking about everyone else that had their face up here to begin with. So, Avel, where are you? All right. Arthur, get rid of that and put your face up. All right. Did everyone write this down? Because I'll be erasing it. You all have it. No? Caleb, did you write it down? Did you write it down, Caleb? Okay, Nick, did you write it down? It says to skip, stop, please, no, stop. Arthur, get rid of the picture and put your face up. And I'm not saying it again. I said get rid of the picture. Here, it's right here, look. Write it down. You don't have the book with you. You need to come and get your book because this isn't going to work unless you have a book. When are you coming to get your book? What? What'd you say? All right. So, guys, start that now, and I'm coming back to you in 10 minutes, and we're going to go over some. Got it? All right. I need Danny and John, and is Rihanna here? No? All right. Hold on, guys. I'm just meeting them. I don't have a name here, so who is this right here? Go ahead. You can up here and credit now. No, doesn't matter. If I can't see your name, you're not getting credit. What, Danny? Where's Brianna? Okay, she's there. So I should only hear 3 people then. Brianna, Don Don, okay, so let's go over what did I say? All right, page 445. I want to go over these answers. All right. So Danny, for number 1, what did you get? Number 1, 444. Mm-hmm. Good. Very good. John, what did you get for 2? Good. All right, now for the next one. Okay, look at the next one. Now, see how it says 120 degrees, right? So when you do the 120, you're going to look at the 60. Look at the 60 degrees because when you take it over, it's just going to be negative on the y side. Okay? So you're going to keep your square root of 3, 2, right? Because that's your cosine. Now, all you have to do is change, where did we have it? What was the 60? Okay, so look at the 60 degrees. There was a positive half here. So, because it's just moving from 60 to 120, it's just still 60 degrees. However, this part of it, right here, the y part, sorry, is going to be negative. Because that's where remember that's where we get the negative. So it's just going to change that to a negative 1/2. So for number 3, it's going to be negative 1/2 the square root of 3 over 2. Now, same thing with the 150 degrees. So you're going to look at, where are we? Okay, look at 30. Look at your 30 degrees. And 30 and 150. See how, when you did your right radians, what did you get for 150? 150, 185. So I think it was 30. It was 5, huh? 5, 5 pi over 6. Okay, hold that to the side. So we're just going to do a couple of these. I'm not going to do all of these. So for number 4, we're going to get, we're going to look at the 30-degree angle, and we're going to do the same thing we did for that one, for sine and cosine, except what that one's going to be what? Negative. The first term's going to be negative. The sine is going to be negative. So you're going to get negative 3 over 2, and then 1/2. Oh, John and Brianna, did you finish doing the all the radians for that, for your whole circle? No? All right, that's fine. Okay. What? Okay. Let me. figure that for a minute. So 5 pi over 6 was what? I'm going to write it here. 5 pi over 6 was 150? Okay. So for 150 degrees, you're going to put 5 pi over 6. All right, do it now because I'm doing it for you. All right, what else did we have to do? So you have everything up to, so 90, let's do 90 degrees. Did you guys do 90 degrees? Pi over 180? So that would be what? Pi over 2. Pi over 2. So that's pi over 2 for 90. Okay? I can't fit everything, so just listen to what I'm saying and then you can write it down. All right. So we have 0, 30, 45, 60, 90. So 120 was, did we do 120? Pi over 180. So whatever you're trying to get rid of, like the degrees, that has to be on the bottom because that's what you're trying to get rid of. And you want it all in pi. It's going to cancel out here. So 60, so that would be 2 pi. 2 pi over 3. That was 120, right? 2 pi over 3. Can you guys see that or can you hear me at least? Okay. All right. Caleb, Arthur, Nick, if you change, put it back because you're already down to 2 out of 3 points. Okay. Do you want to lose more? Do not change your screen again. All right. So 150. Now we're going to do 180. Okay. So 180 degrees. Now, what's going to happen here? What happens to your 180 degrees? No. Here, right? We're just doing radians. What, John, what happens to these 180 degrees here? Yep, they cancel out, so 180 degrees is pi. Forget that. Don't look at that. 180 degrees is pi. So now let's do 210. So I'm just going to write here. So 210 pi over 180. So these are both divisible by 3, right? 30, I mean 30. So 7, right? Yeah, 30, 7. So then 30 into that is what? 6, good. So 210 degrees is 7 pi over 6. Okay? All right, do the rest now. So you're doing from 225 all the way to 0 right now. The two of you. John and Liana, do it now. Do you know what you're doing, Liana? You're just you're multiplying the degrees. So let's do the 150, like say we're doing 150. Here's your 150. We already did it, but 150. Now you want the degrees to cancel out. So some of the degrees have to be on the bottom. So when you're going from degrees to radians, it's pi over 180. So that's all you have to know right now. It's pi over 180, all right? Multiply all of those numbers by pi over 180 and put them on your circle. All right, I'll be back to you guys now. Hold on. All right, I'm going to go over some of these now with you guys. Hold on, actually. So Danny, you can look at chapter 10, Danny, since you're finished. All right, so do we have everyone unmuted now? No, I did it. Okay. Okay. All right, so we're going to go over some of these. Okay, so 1 through, let me get rid of this. Clear. All right, so 1 through 6, they wanted you to draw the symbol. Okay, so, so number 1 is a line segment. That's a line segment right there. Number 2 is a line. A line has to have the arrows on it. See it? You could either write it like that or like that, right? Okay? Okay, number 3 is an angle, just like that. That's your angle. 4, congruent. Here's the congruent too. It's an equal sign with a squiggly line on top. Parallel. So that's 5. Parallel, like that. You're going to write it like that. And then perpendicular is that. Got it? This is perpendicular. What? So we have 1 through 6, correct? Oh, 1, 2, 3. This is 4 right here, Evan. The equal sign with the. Where's Ngozi? All right, I need to see you because I can't see your name up there. All right, so let's jump down to 16. Everyone has these? All right. Now, what's the name of the figure in 16? Octagon. Good. 17. Square. Good. 18. Parallelogram. Good. 19. It's a ray. Good. 20. It's a ray. It's a ray. 19 is a ray. What's 20? 20 is what? Nick. What's 20? Caleb, what's 20? Okay, good, Gustavo, perpendicular. Yep, 21, what do we call them? Intersecting lines. Yep, number 21 is intersecting. 22 is a pentagon. All right, what's 23, Apple? 23 is a line. What? It's a line. 24 is what? A right angle. A right angle. See this right here makes you, it tells you it's a 90-degree angle, so it has to be a right angle. Okay, 25. 9 segment. Good. Turn the page. Now these are your yes. These are your formulas. Okay? So if you don't memorize these formulas, and these are simple ones, okay, just area and perimeter, you're good. You're not, because I'm not giving these to you on a quiz or a test. You have to know these now. What's the circumference of a circle? There's 2 ways you can do it. Pi d, or no, pi d or 2 pi. What? Come on, 2 pi or. Come on, guys. No, I didn't say 2.4. It's pi d or 2 pi r. Now, the difference between the two, that's the diameter, right? So when you're given that, you use that one. When you're given the radius, you use that, okay? All right, so 27. Quiet, stop talking. 27, area of a square. Side squared, okay? S squared, the side squared. Perimeter of a rectangle. No. Yeah, okay, good. Say, no, that's a rectangle. Or Apple, continue saying what you were saying. 2 times the length plus 2 times the width. Very good. Yeah, right. Yeah, it was number 28, right? All right. So, all right, 29. Perimeter of a triangle. That is Good. A plus B plus C. Right. Yes, 29 is A plus B plus C. Area. All right. What? I'll look at it. Ella. Okay. All right. Area of a rectangle. Length times width. Right. 31. Perimeter of a square. 4 times S. Right. 4S is the perimeter. The area is side square, but the perimeter is 4S. All right, write the name of the lines in the same plane that never intersect. What kind of lines never intersect? Parallel, good. Write the number of degrees in the supplement. What supplement have to equal? No, supplement is 180. Complement is 90. So, complement, write the number of degrees in the supplement of 75. So it's 180 minus 105. Good. Write the type of angle that contains more than 90 but less than 180. Obtuse, good. Write the number of straight lines that can be drawn through 2 points. Just one, good. Now, look, if you have a point, how many lines can you draw through there? What is it? What's the answer? Infinite. Infinite. All right, write the name, well, we didn't use this, but it's a compass. 37 is a compass. All right, 38, quiet. A compass, listen to what I'm saying. All right, 38. True or false? A radius in a circle is the same length as the diameter. Good, false. 39, the symbol for perpendicular is, no, that's true. Angles 25 and 45 are, guys, angles, guys, stop talking. Angles of 25 and 45 are complementary. False, they have to equal 90. Come on, guys, this is not, write this down. I don't understand why you're not writing anything down. 40 is false. What don't you get? Tell me, which one? We're on 41 now. A pentagon is 5-sided polygon. True. All right. Go to 43. Parallel lines never intersect. True. I don't care. 44. A right angle contains 90 degrees. True. A circle is a simple closed figure. True. Circles contain 360 degrees. True. Good. Very good. Okay. So now find the area. For 48. Area of a square is what? Yes. Side squared. So it's 4 squared. So 48 is 4 squared is 16. Good. All right, 49. Length, area of a rectangle, length times width. So do 37 times 32. And what do you get? It is not 584. 1,184. Good. All right, guys, before this ends, I need you to make sure you finish to 50. Oh, no.